Hello YouTube, today's video is an update on the 74 GMC Vandura. I recently tried to start the van or the engine and it started up fine. I then quickly noticed that there was a smell of gas, and it turns out, from watching this video here, that it was leaking through the weep hole. So that meant the diaphragm inside the pump was bad. This is not a tutorial video on how to change it. Just wanted to point out a few things that I missed when I was trying to install it. And you'll see that it's leaking right there. And, it's a $37 part that I thought I could be done in like 30 minutes. But it turned into like a 2-day affair. Anyways, the first thing you got to do that I didn't know was set your number one cylinder at top dead center. And that should put the cam lobe at a spot where you can, take the pump in and out without any issues. There's actually a rod inside the block that needs to be held by one of the fuel pump bolts. There's a video on YouTube that I'll link on in the description that should help you. Also, like, I have it installed there, and in order for you to remove that one of the bolts back there, you have to remove the smog pump bracket if you have a smog pump. Otherwise, you're not going to take that pump, the fuel pump out. Also, the lower radiator hose gets in the way of these two bolts, which hold the bracket down too. The one of the topmost bolt is the one where you're gonna take the one of the fuel pump bolts and insert it to hold down the rod that's in the engine. That should be explained in the video. But yeah, I didn't know that I had to drain the radiator in order to get the hose off and everything. And it turned out into a 2-day thing because I didn't have the right parts. But anyways, I just wanted to share that experience. If you have any questions, please ask below. And yeah, these are the two bolts there before I let you guys go. Yeah, you need to remove that hose to get to those. But anyways, have a good one, guys, and see you on the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.